What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tim Aslan here. So we're just gonna do a quick market update. This was provided by one of our top traders, Oyabun. So he looks at Bitcoin and Ethereum and a few other alts in this video. Comment below if you have any questions, or go ahead and join our Discord and ask your questions in there for a quicker response. But this was a market stream update that was provided inside the Discord that I recorded, and figured we'd post on YouTube because it provides a good analysis of the market. So enjoy the next few minutes, and we'll see you in the next one.
Leading diagonal will give us something like this. 1 second here, I'll give you an example here. So leading diagonals here is like this, okay? So we have a wave one here, or here, whatever you guys want to call it, three, four, and then it's just a weird fifth, and the fifth wave here with this. So you see there's the three is the highest here, and the fifth wave here is the lowest, so with the divergence. So that usually tells us that that's a leading diagonal when the divergence is on the fifth wave, not the first wave. So as long as wave three is the highest, the main point is if wave three is the highest and the fifth creates a divergence, it's leading. If the wave one is the highest, it means it's more likely ending diagonal. Okay, so this is more likely an ending diagonal here. So if this is an ending diagonal, the only thing that makes sense to me, because I wouldn't think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 right that because it's kind of deep. It's more likely an A here, B wave here, C wave here, and then it's just wonky and then dump. So in this case, since we're probably not going to make it to an ABC target here, we have to look at the bigger structure and see what the hell is going on here. So the bigger structure, we have to swing it from here, which is like usually we're looking at flat targets. And yeah, it's more likely like that. So this makes more sense to me that it's going to be a flat here. We missed the 1.32. Right here, 24, 421. So it makes more sense that we just go up here, tap this real quick, and then go down. Then we could find out where we're going to go since truncations are completely, most likely rare. It's most likely going to break this and go down somewhere here before another move to the upside. And then from there, we could build a bigger correction, or we could just rock it up. So ideally, the only thing I'm looking for is I'm not really looking longs at the highs here. I'm looking longs at the lows, right? So like here, we're looking for shorts in these areas, and then we dumped here, and then we look for longs. We caught the move up, right? So that's the point. Like we don't want to start long up here. We're not into like all that, like too much trying to get in and out of that, right? Ideally, and I think most of these alts already hit targets too. Like Ethereum is more clear to me a little bit here. Maybe it has one more push up, but I already had a target. But here, like this is more valid to me because this looks like a nice, like it still can be a fifth, fourth wave here, maybe A, B, C, D, E here, wave 4, 5 to the upside. 1 second here. Go from this one here. Go here, that one, make that cleaner. And yeah, okay. Anyways, what we're looking for is like a fifth wave. So for me here, like I think Ethereum here is more likely still a third case. It looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Then this may be a triangle here. It looks like a triangle, not really valid on 1 hour. Looks kind of wonky here too, but I mean, yeah. We'll see, I guess. If it goes up, it goes up, and we can short. You guys can screenshot targets too, because usually sometimes I don't really like it's so fast and like it just like happens and I'm just entering, so I don't like post them. So if you guys like screenshots and like you guys could always just tag me like, did you enter Ethereum short or something? And then I'll be like, oh shit, I forgot about it. And sometimes like I just forget. That's why you see me like in a bunch of shorts, and it's like I'm just like, oh shit, I should have posted that one because I just completely zoned out. I just throw it on general usually and just like here, I'm taking this. Yeah, other than that, that's what we're looking for. So for me, it's either WXY, something like this. Like this is a WX here, Y leg here, wave 4 here, then 5 waves up to the upside, and then we go up here, right? And we barely just break the highs, right? So something like this. I'll show you guys here. Like maybe like 1, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, and then 5 out like that. Okay, something like that. Or this is not right, and then this has to be some sort of ending here, and we're looking for an ABC with this ending diagonal as a C wave, and then it's more likely a flat here, flat correction here. Okay, anything that's telling you guys, like I don't know, like everyone's showing me these like 27K targets. I honestly don't like as a structure here. I don't have anything there. Like if this goes up and we go up to 26K, like man, I think we have to assume that it's gonna go higher. Like I just don't know, like
because now you gotta understand, like let's say we do something crazy, right? Let's say we go like, if they're saying 27, 28,000, right? Because I know a lot of people probably like wondering, like everyone has these targets on shit, but like you guys gotta understand, like we already have divergences on the daily, and like we already have divergences on here, right? So now you have to understand, like if you go all the way up to like 27, 28, most likely these divergences are probably going to be removed, and then they don't even match fifth wave targets. So now we have to assume that this is probably a wave one here, wave two here, and then I wouldn't even short 28K. I would like literally short, like, because we have to assume this is a 1, 2, and this is a big 3 incoming, right? So like, yeah, we're looking up here, right? Like we're gonna be looking up here. Should be like something like this, like that. You know what I mean? Like that's what it would be. It wouldn't be 27. So I don't know. Like people could short there and get wrecked, but honestly, I don't think it's gonna go there. I think it's more likely we're gonna come down here soon. Um, there's no reason for us to assume that this is a wave three here, wave four, just because on every time frame it broke the RSI here. You guys see here on the 4 hour, it broke, right? So wave two root is right here, and we are broken, right? So barely broke it there. Oh no, that's the root. That's actually the root. Sorry, we actually broke root here. So and then on the reason, I think, what's his name? Someone was telling me that someone's saying that it broke. I said no, because this is such a long length here. Because it's been 72 days here, we have to look more at the daily time frame, since it's been like 3 months, right? So I said you have to look here. So if you see here on the RSI here, we have wave one here, wave two, and then this is highest on the RSI, 4, and then we're expecting a divergence. And this happens all the time on every push we have to the upside. Okay, so same thing here. That's why we don't really we don't try to short unless there's that 1, 2, wave 3 here, 4, and then 5. Okay, something like that, right? 4, 5, something like that. Boom. So that's why it's more likely as some sort of like fifth wave, and we're close to the end. So usually on a fifth wave, the most common target is the 100%, the 1.23. Okay, because yeah, something like that. Okay, so there it is, and we're at it right now. So these are the most common target. It can go all the way up to a 1.618. I rarely see it going up there, but maybe around this area. So yeah, that's why it's kind of struggling around this area, and this looks like more of a fifth wave anyways. So yeah, so the main idea is like this. So actually, like anytime it touches around these highs here, around here, like I just ladder into short slowly and just kind of like pace myself up. If it goes up, and I just look at the data. So if you guys want to ladder shorts, whatever, and then just make sure you have stop loss around above here. Just make sure you guys like manage your risk and not go in too apish. And then if it does hit our stop loss, you're not just gonna be like, I'm completely wrecked. So just make sure you know how much you're losing, and if you're comfortable losing that much, then it's fine. If you're not comfortable losing that much, you're probably gonna have a headache. Ethereum, I'm thinking it might break the high one more time and maybe go up here. I hope it does, because I'm not in Ethereum short. Actually, ETC I think might possibly have one more high too. Right here somewhere around this area here. You guys could throw a stop loss at the high, because I think this is more like some sort of weird like diagonal here or some shit. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, see, this might be a diagonal here. 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 4 breaks, wave 1 top, 4, 5 waves down. I mean ABC, boom, 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 ABC, ABC. Okay. Yeah. So this to me like is possible diagonal here. So I'm actually looking for a short here too. If this goes down, I don't know where the target is. I'm just gonna wait for it to break these highs. It should break this high, because this looks like a 5-wave structure here. So I'm actually gonna wait here, and I'm just gonna throw alert up the high. I'll let you guys know when I hear it. So I think this is a diagonal here. I think this is the E, where you throw stop loss and validation at the highs here. Yeah. I think, like, bro, honestly, I think this is a 5-wave structure here. I think we're gonna go up, and it's either we're gonna just dump, or we're probably gonna bounce. Oh man, we can't be bouncing from here, to be honest. It doesn't make sense to us to bounce here. I'll have an area here, but like it doesn't make sense, because this is a wave 2 here. So ideally we shouldn't bounce here.